now we're back on the road.
Travel day again.
Yes, we just left Chirac. A little sad.
Did you have a good time?
Oh, I had a really good time.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when Jennifer and the kids came, the grandkids. That was fun. We got to go to the rodeo.
Had a sleepover.
Sleepover. It was fun.
It was fun.
And I think they had a really good time too.
3, 2, 1, action.
Well, we got back to Spokane and I decided to have my 2 front steer tires replaced. The truck went a number of miles with a bad alignment, and I had it realigned, and they actually just swapped the left to right and right to left on the front steers, and it's been terrible. So I finally decided to buy a couple of new steer tires and a couple of new shocks. I've got a front shock that's leaking a little bit. So I stopped by Speedco, and they're going to put the new tires on for me, and hopefully we'll be riding a lot smoother on these terrible roads. So we're going to find out.
Ready?
I am.
Okay. Time to get some maintenance done.
Yay!
Yeah, this truck, owning a big rig is no different than owning a regular pickup. You got to do regular maintenance, and stuff wears out.
It does.
Got to take care of it. So we are headed into Spokane. I've got a seal, an outside seal on the windshield that has come loose. It was just a little corner for a while, and I didn't worry too much about it, but now I am a little more concerned because it's starting to peel away down the side of the windshield, and I talked to a windshield company here in Spokane, and they said that I can fix it myself, but I'm not the expert, so I'm going to take it to them and let them do it.
Less headache.
Less headache.
Less stress.
Headache. Yeah. So we had the oil changed, we had the filters changed, we had it lubed, we had it inspected. On the inspection, they did tell me that one of my front shocks was leaking, which I knew about. So I just went ahead and bought a couple of new shocks. And also, when we picked up the truck, it was out of alignment terribly, and the tires were worn out of alignment. And so when I had them align the truck, they swapped left to right, right to left on the steers, and it worked okay, but I just felt better if I put a couple of new steer tires on the front. So I put a couple of new steers on, put 2 new front shocks on. We'll see if that takes care of some of these bad roads that we've got throughout the country. or helps us anyway.
There's a lot of them out there too.
There are. So hopefully that helps our ride a little bit. So we'll see what happens. So we're off to get the windshield sealed up and see what we can do to get this thing back on the road. Morning. Hi. Hi, Nick Stockman. It started on that top corner and then it just progressively been getting worse coming down. That's why I thought I'd better have it.
Cube on it and that's it. It's not a lot of room there. Yeah, I can just do this, yeah.
Can you?
That's the only spot?
Yeah, that's the only spot I can see.
Okay. All right. I'll get that done.
You got time?
I never have time.
Okay, thank you.
What a glorious morning. I'm gonna go out here. Jim's been at the truck. I think he's seeing how the seal looks after we got it fixed. So let's see what he's doing. Hey,
Hey.
what you doing?
Well, I'm just checking that window seal.
How's it look?
I think it's gonna hold. It's been a few days now and looks like it's gonna hopefully work okay.
Good.
Yeah, so one more check.
It's good to get these things done since we're leaving in 10 days.
Is it 10 days already?
It's 10 days, yeah. Time's a ticking fast.
Coming quick.
Yeah. And we got our new tires, our steer tires. So that's good. We should be able to get on the road and feel confident. It's one heck of a hood.
So we got our doctors and dentist and appointments done,
Finally.
and look, she got new glasses.
I did.
She's styling. Got our eye appointments done. Kelly got some new glasses.
Yeah, I'm all set. Let's go. Let's start traveling.
It's getting close, isn't
I
it?
know it is.
So we got a crazy week.
Yes.
We got our daughter is having some surgery done, so we told her we'd watch the grandkids for a couple of days. And then you've got, and I've got dentist appointments this week.
I know another one. I love our dentist. We have a great dentist, but it's not my favorite thing to do, having somebody in my mouth like that, poking around.
Yeah, but we get it done.
We do. Yeah, it's a good thing.
And then we get to clean up and get ready to hit the, oh, and I've got to do the air on the tires.
Say our goodbyes to everybody.
Say our goodbyes.
Kind of makes me sad.
I'm ready to go though.
I am. It's exciting what we're gonna do.
I am ready to go.
Yeah, we're ready. And the weather's just been beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful. So.
So what are you doing?
It's Christmas in August. I'm wrapping CJ's gift. And we try to do our Christmas shopping before we leave.
Before we leave Spokane, because most of our relatives are here in Spokane, so rather than to ship everything, we do our Christmas shopping in August and drop it off at our daughter's house, and she distributes
Everything.
for us.
Yes.
So you're wrapping Christmas gift.
I am.
Okay.
And we still have to get more gifts.
I know. Get close.
Yeah, we are. But what's good about Amazon is that you can send it right from Amazon to their house. So I maybe end up doing that too.
Well, this is a reminder for everybody to change out your water filter. It's that time again. As you can see, our filter is pretty nasty. We've been in the coach how long? March, April, May, June, July, August. We're at 5.5 months, and look how nasty this thing is.
It was white, wasn't it?
It used to be white. So we go by Lowe's and pick up new filters. And if you've got an in-house water filter in your DRV or something similar, it's a real easy process to clean it out. I mean, you just pull out the old one, clean out the inside, pop in your new cartridge, screw it on, turn the pump on. It's that simple. Anyway, it's that time to do it, guys. Don't forget, change out your water filter.
The grandkids are coming over today, so I thought I would make them, and of course Jim, this special dessert. We don't have sweets in the house, so let's make some. Okay, I've never done this before.
You want to tell everybody what you're making?
It is kind of like a strawberry shortcake parfait type thing. I take this is angel food cake, and you're supposed to make a layer of broken up pieces like this. Our oldest daughter's husband's grandpa makes this, Papa Norm. And so he always brings us to all the parties, and we had it last time we were at Rochelle's house, our oldest, and he went crazy on it, and so he's been wanting me to make it. So I said, okie dokie, see how it works. So you do a layer of angel food, a layer of Cool Whip, then a layer of strawberries. And then you continue that until you use it all.
And how many strawberries did you use?
I just used a smaller pint. I should have got a bigger one. So I think it was probably 16 ounces. Should have got the next size up. But again, I've never made this before, so I'm winging it. But come on, it's angel food cake. I could not love angel food cake. And Cool Whip and strawberries. Oops, let's get the whipped cream. You know, and if you don't like strawberries, I'm sure that you can use blueberries, blackberries, huckleberries, any berries that you like. And then we'll do another layer of the strawberries.
You cut the strawberries earlier, right?
I did. I cut them up, and then I used monk fruit for the sweetener instead of sugar, so it keeps the sugar content down. Then I got that's low sugar too. And then you just mix it. And then you can add to it if you want to. If I want to add some more of the cake, which I think I might. Oh, this looks pretty yummy. And you stick it in the fridge and serve it whenever you're ready. And this is really super good. It's light and sweet, but not too sweet. And you can control how much you make. If you don't want to make a whole big one, you can just do individual ones, or make a whole big one. I did not think I was going to use all this cake. All right. I'm gonna dish it up.
You don't have to let it set in the refrigerator?
I don't think so. I think that it would get kind of smushy, but I'm gonna take some and I'm gonna feed you and see if you like it. Ready?
Yep.
Tastes like his?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, well there's yours. It's all for you, baby.
Okay. We're gonna put it on sweettravels.com/recipes.
It's so simple, guys. Anybody can do it. I mean, you don't have to, you can even bake your own cake. They probably have sugar-free angel food cake that you can purchase. But I just wanted to do it really fast, so I just bought what I already made. So, anyways, I hope you guys like it.
Well, we had good intentions.
We did, but our plans changed with the grandbabies.
We were gonna have one more sleepover with the grandkids before we left town, and we were really looking forward to it.
I know, I was so excited.
So were they.
Yes, they were. But our youngest, our granddaughter Ainsley, got a tummy ache and a little bit of a fever, so we had to.
So we just all felt it better if they just
Yeah.
stayed home.
Yeah,
But we checked on her this morning,
we did, and she's feeling better.
Yep.
She is.
so she's doing better.
She is. Yeah. So what does that mean?
That means, sorry, Ainsley and Cole, but Papa gets all of it.
We should have saved some. Maybe we should bring it over to him. You got a lot to eat there. That's a lot.
I do. So anyway, best laid plans. So we're getting ready. As you saw, maintenance is about done. We got a couple more appointments. We need to say our oh man, that's good. We need to say our goodbyes,
It is.
and then we're gonna hit the road. So we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, thanks for coming along, guys. And from Spokane,
It all starts with an idea.
talk to you next week. Bye.
Bye.